Hey all you viewers, before we start this video, I just want to mention that I also have two other channels that I operate. If you'd like to support these two channels, feel free to support them by subscribing to them. Until then, let's begin the video. What's good, my fellow viewers and my fellow demons? JeanOtaku91 here to do yet another reaction video. Now today, I'm going to be reacting to a video called The Snoring Sore Loser. And this was highly requested by one of my subscribers. And this was made by Crispy Toast. And if you have seen his work, then I suggest you should support his channel by subscribing him. And I gotta be honest, I did saw a few of his videos, and I quite enjoyed how he actually done all these videos, and he's very quite creative of what he does to his content in his channel. Yeah. So again, support to Crispy Toast. Until then, without further ado, let's begin the video in 3, 2, 1, start.
Look here. It's a Wario.
Oh, it's the sleeping sore loser, not the snore. That's a little confusing. Like, could not follow the title. Oh no, Fazbear's Pizza, Five Nights at Freddy's. You do not want to go there.
Oh yeah, no money.
Oh shit, no money.
Of course, talk about easy money.
I didn't get how you do those things, by the way. It's not any different than monetizing your videos, which... Well, there goes his computer. It blew up. Lazy fat fuck. Hungry for high scores. And he's playing Pac-Man.
Another high score.
Oh, he's pissed again. So, you take a nap on the arcade machine. Oh, there's Pac-Man himself. Arm wrestling with... Okay, I know who she's from. She's from Undertale. I never played Undertale. Is he gonna keep doing that every time he loses something? Like he always loses to everything? Don't prank call Shrek. And I didn't catch that. Oh no! Don't call Shrek.
Oh, hello there. Have a rotten day.
Lame! Oh shit! Shrek is pissed! You're dead, man. You're a dead man, Wario. You're a dead man.
This is the part where you're supposed to run.
Well, so much for that.
For 5 minutes!
Oh no, Jeffy!
My name is Jeffy.
Run, Mario! That kind of reminds me, I should react to Super Mario... Never mind. I was just about to say that maybe one day I might react to some of Super Mario Logan videos. Penelope from Donkey Kong, and he's trying to make the hits on her. Oh, there's Donkey Kong. I take it they're dating now. Not this time, Wario. You got knocked the fuck out, man. Oh, ho, ho. Ah! Cortex from Crash Bandicoot. What is he doing here? Well, that was it. Okay then. So, that was the video for today, and that was the very fun video that I reacted today. Be sure to subscribe to Crispy Toast, by the way, and if you want to see more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to know what kind of videos you want me to react to next, just leave a comment down below. Until then, stay tuned.